guys that I have a Boxy versus Boxy. They have never sent me 2 base boxes, and this month they sent me 2 base box and a premium box. So the premium will be a full try on video. This one I'm just gonna do a Boxy versus Boxy video. And basically, oh, and if there's an elephant in the room, it's because Mama got a wig on. I'll try to link which one it is down below for you guys. But anyways, let's just go ahead and jump in. These are PR boxes, and they sent me this little baby, and then they sent me this big bad boy. And the boxes, as you can see there, one's super tiny and then the other one is very big. Let's go ahead and start with the little one so you guys can see and see the variation of it. This one is Fantasy, and this is variation 003, and it comes in this tiny little box. So I was like, oh, what's in there? And the first thing in here is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. This is $25. I absolutely adore Alamar Cosmetics. Their glosses, their cheek products, they are just absolutely amazing. Even their eyeshadows. They had repackaged their complexion trio. I actually already own their original one, so this is what it looks like. And this one is in the shade, which one is this one? If I'm not mistaken, this is Fair Light. And the one that they sent me is medium tan. And I did tan with, not tan, I bronzed my face with these shades today. And they are very workable for my skin tone. I was kind of scared when I first saw it just because of how deep they are. This yellow is a little too extra for me, but these 2 shades I was able to actually use them very lightly on my skin and bronze up my skin. And I love their formula. It's like a butter. It just blends into the skin beautiful. This is the Fair to Light, and look at that. Look at that yellow on there. Do you guys see that? I have used the crap out of that underneath my eyes. I absolutely love this, and I'm not sure if the shades are the same as the original ones, but this is the Fair Light, and then this is the medium tan, and you can definitely see the difference there. But I feel like if you're my complexion, like a light medium shade, that I think that you could basically use both, but I think Fair Light is a little bit more on the workable side for your skin, for my skin tone. Okay, jumping into the next thing, this is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. I will be trying this. This is, whoa, this is $79. It's a nourish and balance your scalp and hair. It has plant oils, almond oil, argan, and it is to soothe dry and itchy scalp. It promotes healthy hair and leaves your hair shiny and soft. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so it's just a glass bottle. And it smells, I don't know, it smells like kind of like a little burnt. Is it mine? Yeah, it smells kind of like something burned. I don't know what to think of the smell of this, but I will definitely try this in my hair, or if not, give it to my mom because she has very dry hair, and I feel like a lot of these oils really help her with her hair. And yeah, but that's pricey. That's very expensive. And then the next thing in here is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. This is $63. Damn, Boxy. This is for it says to delicate skin. So it's supposed to help with premature aging, dark circles, and fine lines, which homegirl is like, whew, I am suffering from. And this has vitamin C and is supposed to be, I guess, really good for underneath the eyes. It's a moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming. And basically you're supposed to use it kind of like a eye cream basically, and just leave a thin layer underneath your eye. The bottle is huge for an eye cream. Usually eye creams, are like miniature, and this actually comes with 1 fluid ounce, which is usually what most creams for your face or foundation or stuff actually has a fluid ounce. So this is a lot for underneath the eyes, and I will definitely be trying this out because my under eyes lately have just been so dry. I actually have like a little cut right here because of my son's nails. He accidentally cut me underneath my eye. It was not fun, but yeah, I really need hydration underneath there. My under eyes are just if you have a recommendation for under eyes, let me know. I'm almost about to just rebuy my Bobbi Brown hydrating eye cream. That thing is just a miracle worker. It's just so expensive, damn. Okay, next thing in here is the Alley Oop Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. This is $25. I actually tried this out a little bit, and this is just, I don't know if you are a 90s child, but this in the 90s was all the rage. The pens that came with like all the different colors and you could like switch between them. If you are from that, I don't know if they still make those kinds of pens, but this is basically the same concept. What it has is different ones, and then you pop it out and then you twist it. And for example, this one is a highlighter. So then you have a little highlighter there, and then this one is a lip pencil, which I tried to use. I feel like the concept was a good concept, but the full execution wasn't there. The reason why is because when you twist up, it doesn't really have a point to them. They're really blunt and cut straight across. I feel like I have to keep playing with this and see if I can get it to get to a point where they're more of a rounded tip. I feel like the more you use it, the more it'll be rounded. But it has basically an eyeliner, a lip liner, a highlighter, and a brow pencil all in one. And the concept is that you take this little pen on the go with you to do touch-ups, or if you're traveling, this is like a 4-in-1. So overall, I feel like the concept for the whole thing was there, but I feel like it could have, like, the points needed to, like, the point of each product, I felt like I would have liked it to be a little bit more finer tipped to be able to use it and not as thick. But I feel like overall it is a cool concept. I don't know, I gotta give it some time and see if I really do use it. But it's called the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. So overall, I think it's really cool. Last thing in here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. This is a jet black liquid liner with a flexible tip. This is $20. I already know that this isn't my kind of eyeliner, just because I'm not into, what is this called, like this thick velvet tip. I really prefer really tiny, thin liquid liners. If it's a felt tip, I want it to be really, really tiny, or if not, to be brush tipped, just because I have really tiny eyes. And if not, this just makes like un cagadero. It just becomes like a hot mess all over my eyes, and I'm not about that life. So yeah, so those are it. I'm gonna try to put the price point, the total here. That is version 003, and those are all the products in there. Overall, I feel like that one's just an okay box. The thing that really calls out to me the most would be the eye cream and the Alamar Cosmetics. Okay, and now we're gonna go into this bad boy, this chunky one. Okay, let's go ahead and see what version of fantasy this one is. This is version 46, and first thing in here is actually my choice for my own base box this month, and it is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens. It is an oil-free foaming cleanser. As soon as I saw this as a choice, I was like, come to mama, because I adore Pharmacy. Their stuff for skincare is amazing and really, really nice. This is actually 5 fluid ounces and is worth $28. So I feel like you're really getting a good price for the amount of fluid ounces that you get. And it is a foaming cleanser. It has moringa, papaya, green clay, and it's supposed to like keep your skin hydrated. So just really, really nice. And I am excited to test this puppy out. Next thing in here is the Dermalect Cosmeuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. This is retinol, and you have to be a little bit cautious with retinol. The other day I kind of went a little too crazy with my Wander Beauty one, and my whole face just like peeled off. And that is a warning and a caution to you to not overdo it with retinol. You know, just do it like maybe once a week. So yeah, so this is a trifecta serum. This is worth $39, and it has 3 different forms of retinol to give you a good delivery system of retinol. And retinol is really good to target anti-aging, wrinkles. It just is is amazing for the skin, but like I said, you have to be a little bit careful with it because you don't want to be peeling. Like, I was literally full on reptile mode. This whole thing here just peeled like nobody's business, and I feel like my skin's been a little bit ultra dry because of that, because I kind of overdid it. Next thing in here is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. If you know me, if you've been watching me for a hot minute, you know mama loves an eye patch. I suffer from my under eyes being way too dry, and I'm always up for hydration underneath. Okay, damn it, open. I am always suffering from my under eyes being dry. I always want to add more hydration under there. And one of the first things I do when I wake up is put some patches underneath my eyes just to help, so that way my makeup goes on softer. And I am all about trying new ones. I love when they come with this just because they're kind of wiggly and they're kind of hard to get with your hands sometimes. Ooh, look at these. Those are pretty. They're blue, like a turquoise blue. It's absolutely stunning. And they don't have any kind of weird smell or anything like that to them. I will definitely be trying these out and see how I like them. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand, Generation Skin. Let me know, is this a new skincare brand? I love when they bring in new brands and then you fall in love with them. That's how I discovered Good Molecules. That's how I discovered Ofra. And it says that these are brightening, firming, and depuffing. And these are worth $49.99. So these are on a little bit on the pricey side. Yeah. Then the next thing that we have in here is the M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge set. This is a collection of 4 super soft latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges, and it comes with different shapes. Oh, they're so cute. I wish that the actual faces were on the sponges themselves, because look how cute that little unicorn and panda, those are so adorable, like the packaging is, but then the sponge doesn't really have the little faces on them. I will definitely try these out. They are all different forms that I've used before. I've never tried this brand, but it is cruelty free and vegan, and then you get 4 for $20. Then the last product in here is the $1 Billion Brows. This is the Brows On Point Micro Pencil. I've already actually tried this and I have this in my collection. This is in the shade Taupe, which is a really nice kind of universal shade. I think like anyone from blonde to even dark hair could use it. Okay, I got my little hairs in the middle. But anybody could actually use these, and this is $16. I love the fact that it's very pointed in the end. It does have the spoolie on the other end. The $1 Billion Brows are really, really nice. The quality of their products are nice as well. And yeah, I think that this is a nice one. And I will do the total of this box around here so you guys can know more or less how much the total is. Overall, I have to say I like the second box more than the first, just because there's more things that I gravitate towards, like the brow pencil, the sponges, the retinol. I mean, literally everything in this box is something that I would use and enjoy. This one is more catered towards skincare, and that just depends. With me, it just depends on what brands are in there or what kind of formulations. Like if it's vitamin C, retinol, it's gonna attract me more. And yeah, overall I feel like the second box wins in this boxy versus boxy. The first one's okay. It's not my cup of tea completely, just because not everything like really gravitates towards me. Like I said, it's more the Alamar Cosmetics, but the second box is a winner, and hopefully this is more or less something similar to what I'll get, because this was my choice, which was the whipped greens. And that is all for these boxes. Let me know which one was your favorite. What are you looking forward to? What was your choice for base? And yeah, I would love if you subscribe if you want to see beauty content. That's what I mainly do, is all kinds of different beauty content on my channel. And also my social media is down below if you want to follow me on Instagram. And look out for the premium video as well, because that is why I didn't do a try on of these things, is because I wanted to try out everything from the premium box, which is actually this look that you guys see here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.